Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Metrobank Titanium card, a government ID, and the Metrobank app or activation hotline. Once done, sign the back, open the app, and follow the Activate card flow. Make a small authorization charge to confirm. Make sure to set a secure 4 to 6-digit PIN and enable contactless payments if you plan to tap. This avoids merchant declines and speeds first use, so do these items now, not later. Next, you configure limits and billing so the card fits your cash flow. In the app, review and request a credit limit increase or set a lower cash advance cap. This reduces risk. Then link the card to your primary checking account and choose an automatic minimum or full payment, plus a convenient statement date. Once that's done, enroll in e-statements and real-time spend alerts. These steps keep you informed and prevent late fees and surprise balances. Finally, use the Titanium card strategically and know how to fix common issues. You should charge reward-eligible purchases and keep utilization below 30% to protect your score. If the card is lost or stolen, freeze it in the app immediately and call the hotline to cancel and reorder. If a merchant decline happens, retry with chip insertion or contactless. If that fails, call Metrobank support and confirm merchant MCC blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.